Hello, this is Sachaz again, and we're here today for learning about the concept of work, energy, and power for the 4 concept in physics, topic known as work, energy, and power. So here we are dealing with the transformation of energy, how energy can be transformed from one form to another form. But before going for the principle of transformation of energy, we have to also to understand the concept of the forms of energy. We have different forms, various forms, many of which, but we have some of them, which are mechanical energy, chemical energy, sound energy, electrical energy, as well as the light energy. But also we have the principle, which is that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another. Now we want to demonstrate the experiment to show that how energy can be transformed from one form to another. Now we have the materials. The materials for learning. First one is a little stand, which is this one. This is a little stand, but also we have a meter rule. This one. Also we have a pendulum ball, as well as a string for holding a pendulum ball. So we want to check out for the how energy can be transformed from one form to another. How can energy be transformed from one form to another? Now, first of all, you have to set your materials like this. Have to set your clamp at the upper side. Then make sure that it is tightened, and also your pendulum bob. So here, let us suppose this is our maximum point. Here, let's say point A, which in our diagram here, we can use this as A, also this as B, and this as C. So we want to check for the energy at point A. This one is point A, and also this one will be point C, the top one. So I will let it swing for a second. Yeah. So to check out for the energy, how can it be transformed? So we say at this point, because we have the maximum edge, which is this one, at point A, we say our potential energy is maximum. So we say PE is equal to maximum. Why so? Because the height is maximum. Because the height is maximum. But as height increase from point A to point C, as energy increases as height increases from point A up to point C, means also potential energy is increases. But also as it moves from A to come to point C, the height decrease. The height decrease from here when it moves to point C. So now the height which is decreased means that as height decreases, the speed is increased. So now PE, potential energy, is converted to kinetic energy. So mgh is converted to half mv squared. So now this shows that our energy is transformed. It is transformed and not destroyed or later created, but transformed from potential energy coming to the kinetic energy. So as height increase, the potential energy increase, and also as it moves from here coming to here to this side, the speed is start to increase while the height it decreases. Now the kinetic energy will increase. So that is the transformation of energy. That is shows how energy can be transformed from one form to another form. Thank you very much. That is a chance.